1, somewhere within this range is my 1. Okay? Harder. One more time. I'm adding some feedback. Okay? 2, somewhere within this range. 2, 2, 2. Usually you can have one hand down at the chest, behind the back, whatever you want. I usually don't love to keep both hands up because I don't want to startle the middle. 3, not out here, not up here, somewhere in the middle. You can hold it here or here, right? I hold mine in between. 3, 3, meter with feedback, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, first way, the normal way. Pushing these with us. Again. Harder. 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 4, 6, 6, 6, 4, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, and then 10. There's no 10.